What's up, guys, and good morning. I am up here in San Fernando. I am up here at the Harley Davidson shop. I was told about this place and I figured, you know what, let me come up, let me check it out. I'm going to show you the bikes. People say, how much are Harley Davidsons? How much do they cost? We're going to go in. Boy, they got some beautiful bikes. The gentleman was telling me all these bikes are coming from Thailand. Manufactured, built in Thailand. They got these bikes out here. Looks like they have a service department, an authorized service department. We'll go in there and check it out. All these bikes out here are their demo bikes. All right. He told me you can come up and you can demo ride these bikes. But check them out. Boy, are they beautiful. They're all 2022 from what the gentleman was telling me. These demo bikes are also for sale. So they're for sale, but guys, we're going to go in and check out the prices of Harleys. Big price difference compared to back in the States. We're gonna go in. Like I said, they're all 2022s. The 2023s are not in yet. So we're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna show you the bikes and show you the prices, and I think you're gonna either be blown away with the prices or just, I think you're gonna be blown away with the prices. You know what, before I show you the bikes and the prices, let me show you the little showroom here. Really nice, really nice. They got nice t-shirts. They got their Harley t-shirts here. Leather jackets. This is all genuine Harley Davidson. This is not knockoff. All genuine Harley Davidsons. Leather jacket here. Price, I don't see a price. Let me look. See if I can find a price. No price. I'm sure there is somewhere, but this is all genuine Harley Davidson products, from your jean jackets to your leathers to your sweatshirts to your t-shirts to more jackets to more shirts. They have a nice little variety here. Of course, not like a huge variety like you would find back in the States, but nice variety, nice variety. So we're gonna start. Where are we gonna start? Let's start here on the left-hand side. 2022. Let me kind of get in there. You guys can freeze it. 22 Harley Davidson Nightster, gunship gray, 1.010. I will put the conversion rate down. Nice bike. Apologize if it's dark. The sunlight is coming in from the other area, but really nice bike. They're going to shoot over here. 2022 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special White Sand Pearl. Price 1.970. Like I said, I'll put the conversion rate down, but wow, look at that beautiful white. Beautiful. Speakers. Really nice. I like that. How can you not like them, right? Saddlebags on the back. Then we'll move to this beautiful black motorbike here. '22 Harley Davidson Road Glide, 1.930 pesos. Like I said, 2022. The 23s are not in. This is the black one. I can kind of get on the other side where the light is coming through. And there we go. That's a better shot, so you can see it. Wow, isn't that nice? Let me come up to the white one real quick, pan through that with the sunlight coming through so you get a better look at it. Really nice. Shoot up here, get another look at this bike. The the sunlight on it. Alright. Over here and check out this one here. This is a 2022 Fat Boy 114 Midnight Crimson Vivid Black 1.540. That's 1,540 pesos. Beautiful, another beautiful, beautiful bike. All chromed out. Shoot over on the other side here. Shoot over here. Check out the next one. '22 Harley Davidson Sport Glide Vivid Black 1.410 million pesos. Boy, I like that black. Leaves you speechless, right? I'm speechless. Saddlebags on the back. Shoot around this side. Check out the tail end. What a tail ends just look nice.
Next year, palit na yung kulay nito. Ito yung every year, di ba, lalabas sila ng tulong color. 2022 color. Ito pa kung mababa. Gana. 975 sila ng form.
2022 Harley Davidson Softail. Price 1.160 million pesos. Vivid Black. The first Harley was an '88 Softail. I'm not going to talk. You can look and admire, right? I like the single seat.
Hindi, ito sa 2023, mag-aada pa ng 60,000. Mag-aada pa naman sa market. Pero wala naman pa. Wala naman pa sa revolution. Mabenta pa rin naman.
Then we got a Fat Bob. 2022 Fat Bob. 1.430 million pesos. It's a nice color. God, I like that front end. I like that light. That's pretty nice. Like that gold. That gold look looks really nice. Just a beefy rear end, big beefy tire on the back. Like the black. All black. Forward controls. And not last but not least, and I didn't know what this was, and he told me, I'm like, really? This is a Sportster. A Sportster, and that's 1.150 million pesos. 2022 Sportster. Look at that Sportster. When I was riding back, I remember, 10 years ago, only girls rode Sportsters, right? Right? That was the thing. Only girls ride Sportsters. However, I would ride this sucker in a heartbeat. big old beefy fat tire on the front. I mean, this thing looks really, really nice. I like the lights on the front of that. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I really like that. It's a 1250, so it's not an 883. Remember, the women always rode the 883s. If I'm not mistaken, I think he said these are liquid cooled. Liquid cooled? Sportster? Sportster, is that liquid cooled? You don't know. Okay, she doesn't know. That's okay. That's all right. But boy, look at that. A single seat on that sucker. The exhaust coming up the side, open in the back end. That's neat looking. I like that. Look at how the back end is all open. Really nice. One more shot of all of them. Let me go through here. Check them all out. There it is, guys, down here in Pampanga, in San Fernando. Oh, thank you. In San Fernando. There's your prices. You guys wanted to know. Don't follow GPS. I'm gonna tell you right now, do not follow the GPS to get here, because it brings you into a housing development area. When you get to SNR, look for the big tower and turn right. But there's even a Triumph dealer in here. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen a BMW dealer up here. And you can come down. The gentleman told me you can come down. You can test drive these bikes here. These are all test drive bikes. And you can also purchase these. They're going to be a little bit cheaper than the ones inside. But he did say they were for sale. So anyways, let me shoot upstairs real quick. Let me show you. They even have like a little accessory area here. So let me shoot up there and let me show you. And then I'm going to check the service dealer here out. All right, so the accessories here are on the second floor. Not a huge selection, but they do have a nice little selection of accessories. Different types of covers. You guys see it? Hand grips, brakes and clutch, foot pegs. Nice selection. What I mean, nice selection. Nice little selection, I guess you could say. They got luggage for your, you know what I mean, luggage racks, luggage bags. And some seats if you want to modify and change out your seats. Some more accessories. But yeah, that's really about it up here. Nice little seating area up here if you want to sit down, relax. And let me show you the showroom from up here on the second floor. There's a showroom down there. All right, let's head out to the service department. All right, I'm in the service department right now. Nice little service department. I did ask the mechanics, are you authorized Harley Davidson mechanics? They said yes, but here's their service department. It's small. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, the Harley's not a huge, big brand name in America, right? But here's their service department, and they have some accessories over there, Screaming Eagle accessories. But boy, is that beautiful, that bike right there. I'll take that sucker. But behind the wall here is the service department. They got 2 bays in there. 1 bay, 2 bay, and another little workstation. But I think it's pretty nice. Really nice for what, you know, what you guys back in the States are used to. You know, the big service departments and the big showrooms and everything like that. But yes, very, very nice. All right, guys, so there it is. Remember, if you're willing to buy me a bike, guys, I will take it. I'm not shopping for no new Harley, but if you want to buy me one, I'll take one in a heartbeat. I did talk to the gentleman in there in the service department. He told me that they go over to Thailand. There was a couple of them that went over to Thailand, and over in Thailand they go to the like schooling to learn how to work on the Harleys. Like they don't, he said they don't do it here. They all went to Thailand. So they are authorized service technicians, Harley authorized service technicians. He said they were going to get a few more guys over there. Also, I asked him too, can you finance bikes here in the Philippines? He said, yeah. He goes, you can go to banks, I can go to BPI, BDO, whatever. I can finance a Harley if I really, really wanted one. They do finance them. He said, however, with the car, they do 5 years. He told me with a motorcycle, they do 3 years. Maybe somebody can correct me on that, but I'm only going off of what the gentleman told me. But there it is. There's the prices. If you want to buy me a Harley, I'd be willing to take it, willing to ride it. So once again, up here in San Fernando, do not follow the GPS. The GPS will take you not here, not here. Right here are their hours, business hours, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:37. Saturday, Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. You guys hear that? That sounds pretty quiet. I definitely have to would have to modify it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and maybe we'll hit a couple more here. I got a Triumph and I got a BMW dealer here. So we'll talk to you guys later.